Hello, my beautiful people. Hey, if no one has told you that you are beautiful today, you are beautiful. Happy New Year. It is almost 2019, so before the new year, I just need to squeeze in one last Stitch Fix. So Stitch Fix is where you pay $20, they send you 5 things. It goes towards any of the things you keep, and there's no shipping either way. There is a bag that's given to you that you just put it back in your mailbox. So if you are thinking that that might be a fun way to start out your new year, I will put a link below. You get $25 off your first box, so that takes away your styling fee. And I already opened the box but haven't looked or pulled anything out. So here is beautiful. I love the bright colors. And oh, I got jewelry. I got a big jewelry box. So there's that. Put the box back over here. And let's go ahead and open this and see what we got. My stylist is Alex. I just asked if she was on vacation to postpone my fix. I don't know if they'll do that, but I thought I might as well ask because I don't need anything right now, or I didn't have to have this come at a specific time. So hopefully they will honor that. And oh, this is interesting. Look at this. I love that color. I love turquoise. I have a lot of turquoise jewelry. This is kind of, it feels like plastic, which is kind of good because that means it's not real heavy. Let me see if I can get it untangled here for us. This reminds me of something that I would wear as a little girl. Back in the 70s, y'all. I'm old. Look at that clasp. It's really pretty. So there you go. You've got some faceted, that teal. It kind of goes with what I'm wearing. This is my Trenson dress that I kept from my Trenson. So anyway, I kind of like that. That's pretty. So, oh, I forgot, I do have a new budget this year. I'm just going to be getting one closing box a month, and just keeping like one thing or no more than $100 total from the box. So I have to pay off some medical bills, and that's one of my goals for 2019 is to get financially on track. But if you want to follow along and see one boxing a month, please hit the subscribe. First up is a red sweater. It is by Market and Spruce. So, oh, it's one of those twist back. I've never tried one of these. So here's just nothing special or whatever in the front, very standard, but the back is the twist. So I've seen this a lot on other people. My theory is maybe it will bug me, but I want to try. So that's the nice thing about clothing subscriptions, right? You get to try things that are new. This is really pretty. These are definitely my colors, and teals and orange and purple, and it's got lace on the bottom. It is by Daniel Rainn. I like Daniel Rainn in general. It looks pretty thin. It's got, it's a very boho kind of gypsy-ish. So that's probably more expensive, but I love the colors. So it just depends how that looks. Oh, I got some denim. It's teal. I've been wanting some teal denim. I have a lot of colored denim. Not teal though. This is a beautiful fall and winter color. I've got bright blue that I wear a lot. I got some royal blue pants. I think that was in a previous Stitch Fix. I wear them a lot. So these are teal. They're by Lakeview Denim. I've never tried this brand before. So they look really nice with this. I'm sure they probably sent those together. And then yeah, Alex is awesome. She sends me outfits. And then I got something fuzzy. This is totally my style, y'all. Let me see what we got here. So I got a, no, it doesn't have a cowl neck. It's just a V-neck. I do have an eyelash sweater, black sweater that I got from Nordstrom. Oh, I love this though. This is Emory Park, and it's just I love this. This may be too similar to what I already have, but it's absolutely my style because I think I already have something really, really similar. And I'm only gonna probably keep one thing or no more than $100 for this box, so I'll need your help deciding. So I'm excited to try it all on, and stay tuned and let me know what you think. All right, so my stylist Alex wasn't on vacation, but she said she's going to be on vacation next month. So I think next month I'll probably try Trunk Club for my one box a month, and then I'll do Stitch Fix in February. First up, I have on the Bancroft beaded necklace in teal green. These are $38, and I actually think it's kind of fun. I don't have too many things like it. This was my grandmother's, and I wear this quite a bit. I wear this with a lot of tops and my skirts that have a lot of the teal in it. I wear it fairly often. So, and you can see it's not quite the same color as the pants like this, but I kind of like this with that. So I'm thinking maybe I would wear this instead of this, but this is unique and different, so maybe. And I do like it. So Alex, if you're watching, I do like statement necklaces, and I like this one. The sweater is Emory Park Mona V neck fuzzy pullover. It's $44, which I think is a great price. It's got the kind of eyelashy, nubby sweater, super warm, and it's got just a slight little cable. There you can see, pretty cute. It's got some slight cable texture, and the V-neck, maybe I'll take the necklace off so you can see good, because I think this is a very flattering silhouette for a lot of people. The V, this is the one that I own currently by Halogen. It's also got the V. It's the thick kind of fuzzy eyelash sweater. It's got a little balloon sleeve. This one's just regular. This one I got from Nordstrom for $59. This one's $44. So if I had gotten this one first, I probably would have kept this one, but I have this one. So I'm thinking anytime I would want to wear this, I could just wear this. So this is definitely a winner, and if it was a 5 for $5 box, I would have no problems keeping this and just having two, but that's my leaning. The pants, I need your help. I feel like they're a little small. This is, what brand is this? Lakeview Denim. I've never heard of that, so I don't know if it stretches. So if you have ever had Lakeview Denim, would you please leave me a comment to let know if they stretch out? It may just be that I'm, a little heavy from the holidays. This feels like it's just kind of pulling, step up a minute, pulling on my thighs, and maybe needs a bigger size, but if these stretch out as you wear them, then I could probably get away. They're a decent length on me. I love the color. I looked in my wardrobe, and I already have like 5 blouses that have some variation of this color. So this would be a very good thing. I just don't know if I should maybe size up and see what that looks like, or if this is fitting not too tight. So let me know what your thoughts on that are. Let me switch tops. Okay, this next blouse is by Daniel Rainn. It is the most expensive item in the box. It's $68. It has like the 3/4 length sleeves, which is my least favorite length of sleeves, but on this style, I think it kind of works. I love the colors. I love that it's got all the different swirls and patterns. It's not symmetrical, so I know people that would freak out. I would prefer it to be symmetrical, but I can get over the fact that it's not. Let me show you the back. I think this is the right size for me. I think it's supposed to be just a little bit looser cut. And let me see if I untie it. I can untie it and kind of change the neckline. So I think it's a gorgeous top. $68. I'm not sure if I would get enough value out of it for $68. I particularly adore the colors. I really, really like the pattern. I'm on the fence with the style. I'll have to walk around, look in the actual mirror instead of just in the little viewfinder to see how it looks on me. And I would like your comments if you think this is flattering, or if you've watched my videos, if you think this looks like me or not. I think it does go fairly well with the teal pants as well. There's a nice amount of teal in it, although I also think it would look really cute. I've got some of that blush mauve color, and I think that would set off the lace a little better. So I don't know. We'll see. I got one more sweater. Let me try that. Okay, last up, this is the Market and Spruce Fallon Twist Back Plunging V in red. I put it on and I immediately was like, oh, I really like red. I do not have very many red. I have some red sleeveless tops, but I do not have any red long sleeves at all. Not any. I don't have a single red long sleeve item. So I think I'll be requesting that in the future at least. I like the simplicity. It's not the softest, but it's not at all itchy. I like the length a lot on the sleeves. I think it's really nice to come just a little bit onto my hand because I don't like it when it starts bunching up too much. Now the back, I do have on a little black cami, and I don't mind this up here, but I'm not sure about that part. I don't know that I feel comfortable with that. I've wanted to try one of these, but I'm not sure how I feel about it. I think I'm going to keep this on for a few minutes and just see how I feel about it. It's $58, so I don't know. I will value your input. If I kept one item, what do you think I should keep? The black sweater is probably maybe the thing that I think I would have gotten, definitely without any other consideration, except for I already own that other black sweater. I already know I wear it a lot, so there's that. I probably will not keep that for that reason, but I do highly recommend if you get Stitch Fix to ask for that. The necklace, I actually really like it. $38. I don't know if I get $38, but probably. This is probably classic enough that I would hold on to it for quite some time, and I really like it, so I'm willing to consider it, although I have the other necklace that is also similar. The Daniel Rainn blouse, what do you think? Is this me? Is it a little... It's definitely unique and something that I have similar colors and similar design patterns, but not exactly like this, so I don't know. It doesn't quite feel like me. The red Market and Spruce, I'm leaning towards no, but I want to give the style a chance. That's a beautiful thing about boxes. And the teal pants, oh, they're over there. Sorry, wasn't prepared for to show the teal pants. Teal pants, I'm really, really thinking that might be the piece I should keep and get a lot of use out of it. I'm just concerned, do they stretch out, and should I stick with that size or should I size up? They do have the non-normal, non-functioning pockets in the front, so I think they're supposed to be tight and they're supposed to be like leggings. So let me know what you think. Alex, have a fantastic vacation next month. That is on the top of my bucket list, to go to New Zealand and Fiji, so I will just be in thought and prayer for you as you travel and just have an outstanding time, and I hope I can follow in your footsteps one day. And thank you for doing an amazing job on my fix. To everybody who is watching, thank you for watching, and happy New Year's, and I look forward to your comments and continuing to dialogue with you into the new year. Blessings on your day.